Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megha and I'm back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share a topic which is mostly searched in today's time, and that is how to achieve or get glass-like skin naturally at home with natural ingredients in just 7 days. So before starting up the video, I like to share some information related to my skin. Guys, I have a combination skin, so according to my skin type, I'm using these natural ingredients, but I'll surely give an alternative to other skin types as well. So without taking any much time, I'll straight away jump into the video. Before starting the routine, I like to cleanse my face with my all-time favorite Cetaphil cleanser. As you know, this is a glass skin routine, so I'll be using the double cleansing method in this video. Cleansing is done and I'll wipe my face with tissue and then I'll wash my face with plain water. After washing my face, I'll pet dry my skin and start the second cleansing method. Here for cleansing, I'm using raw milk. Guys, I'm using raw milk as a cleanser because we all know raw milk is so beneficial for our skin as it brightens up the skin, reduce dark spots and make the skin youthful. Guys, raw milk can be used as a facial and body cleanser. It has lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E, K and protein. This makes milk a mild exfoliator and hydrating agent. Now let the milk dry on your face for at least 10 minutes and then wash your face with plain water. As you can see, double cleansing has made my skin so clean and super fresh. Next step is exfoliation, and for that I'm using rice flour and 1 spoon curd and will mix it up to make a paste. Will apply this natural scrub on my face and gently massage it to get rid of any dead cells on my skin. This scrub also helps remove pigmentation and dark spots, even out complexion, brighten up skin, remove tanning and enhance skin texture. And it is suitable for dry and oily skin as well. Exfoliation is almost done. You can wipe your face with wet cloth or simply wash your face with plain water. For next step, I'm using honey. Guys, this is 100% organic honey, and with it I'm going to use raw milk and will mix these two ingredients to make a face mask. Our natural face mask is ready to use. I'll apply this natural face mask on my entire face. The combination of milk and honey offers many benefits to our skin. These ingredients have been used since ancient times to keep the skin healthy and glowing. Keep this mask on your face for 15 minutes. I'll wet my hand and massage my face gently for few seconds. This will give me a natural shine on my face. Massage is complete and it's time to wash my face. as you can see, I have little puffiness under my eyes. For that, I'll take an ice cube and a handkerchief and gently massage it under my eyes. This is so relaxing and very useful to reduce puffiness around the eyes. And I'll take this ice cube all over my face, as ice cube help to tighten up the skin. So my last and important step to achieve glass skin is applying a vitamin E oil on my skin. Here I'm taking 1 capsule of vitamin E and I'll cut it with scissor to take out the oil. Guys, I don't use the entire capsule on my face. I'll just take 2 to 3 drops for my face and rest I will use on my hands. Before applying to my face, I'll just warm the oil by rubbing it on my hands and gently press it on my face. Now I'll gently massage the oil on my face. Vitamin E oil can be used on your face as an overnight anti-aging treatment. Since it has a thick consistency, it's best to apply it before bed so that it can fully absorb. In very less time, you will see a visible difference in your skin. This is best to achieve glass skin fast, like just in a week time. And the remaining oil, I'll apply it on my hands. So guys, this was my glass skin routine. Hopefully the video was useful. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, bye guys. I love you all and take care.